I'm Valerie Okorie.
What's up, guys? It's CharlseLord here.
My name is Godsway Amuzu.
My name is Joy Felix.
My favorite app of the
My
year
best
is
app for
My
2022.
best app for the year 2022.
My favorite app for 2022 is
2022 is fast spent. It's been an amazing year, and I've linked up with other creators to bring to you 5 top applications that they found most useful in the year 2022. I'm going to be sharing mine, and then I'll call up 4 other creators that are going to share theirs. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching a video on my channel, you're welcome. Do hit the subscribe button down below so you join our community of people who use their smartphone productively and profitably. And whether you're returning or you're new, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below so the algorithm can share this video with more people. Sorry I'm not in my studio. I went on a short vacation with my wife, and we'll be back shortly, but nonetheless, let's get started. So I've linked up with other creators to come tell us their favorite application of the year. So these applications are applications I believe made them a lot of money, helped them become more productive in one way or the other in their business. I'm going to come back at the tail end, or yes, at the end, to share mine. And before then, let's begin with all these other creators.
My name is Joy Felix, a relationship intimate life coach, a graphic designer, and a content curator. This morning I'm going to talk to you about my best app for the year 2022. It's no other app than Easy Notes. This video is meant to be short, so I'm going to give you a few features why this app is my best app for the year 2022. 1 is setup note reminder. 2 is setup time reminder. It organizes notes in colors and puts them in categories. It's cloud lockup for note safety. Save notes, colored notes in phones and on tablets. Lock note writers and keep your notes safe. It's one of the best apps anyone can get in the year 2022 or even in the coming year. It's a good app. I enjoy this app. It makes my content come out so easy, free, neat, and well organized.
My name is Godsway Amuzu, and I am a YouTuber at Serene Arts. My favorite app for 2022 is pixellab. This application can help you to design stunning graphics with your smartphone. Now, it is my favorite app simply because it helped me to generate income by designing graphics for others. And it also helped me to help others to learn graphic designing for free with their smartphone on my YouTube channel. And to use this application is very simple. All that you need is a basic knowledge on graphic designing and you are good to go. So this is my favorite app for 2022. Thank you.
What's up, guys? It's CharlseLord here. My best app for 2022 is called Noise Reducer. The Noise Reducer application does reduce any background noise in my video. So in a situation whereby there is no light, I have to turn on the generator and also turn on the fan to reduce the heat on my face. It is obvious that the generator and the fan will generate background noises and at the same time make my audio quality sound noisy. So if you do shoot a video in a noisy environment, this is what you have to do. After you install this app, open the app. You're going to see different features the app came with. Click on Video Noise Reducer. Select the video you want to remove the background noise from, and after that click on Reduce Noise. Give the app some minutes to remove the background noise, and yeah, after some while the app will reduce the background noise in your video. Thanks Frederick for having me on your channel once more. See ya.
Hello, I'm Valerie Okorie and I'm a YouTuber and a medical student. And my favorite app of the year is called CapCut. CapCut is a video editing app that's helped me so much in the year 2022. As a medical student, I found it very difficult to edit with my laptop, so I needed something that I could use my phone to edit fast and quick, and that is why I found CapCut. CapCut does not just help you edit your videos, it also adds captions to you automatically. I guess that's why it's called CapCut. So how do you use CapCut? It's very easy to use. Once you download the app, it's on Google, it's on iOS. Just simply add your video, add sound, add music, cut every unnecessary part and start editing and get yourself an amazing video. So what are you waiting for? Download CapCut app today and start getting yourself amazing videos ASAP. I'm Valerie Okorie and I see you.
Alright, my favorite app of the year 2022 should be kinemaster. I've been using kinemaster for over 7-8 years, and of course it have made me a lot of money. I have done jobs on Upwork, on different freelance platforms, and of course all of my YouTube videos were edited on kinemaster. But I started having a fault with kinemaster, especially when they increased their subscription rates from 1,600 to over 5,000 and over 35,000 naira yearly. When I started comparing kinemaster with other editing platforms like CapCut, I started using CapCut most frequently these days, and VN, Filmora, and the rest of them. And I felt like, based on the amount, because kinemaster is currently the most expensive video editing app, based on that cost of subscribing to kinemaster, they can do much more in terms of transitions, in terms of animations, in terms of elements, and even in terms of fonts, compared with CapCut that is absolutely free. I think kinemaster is joking, but nonetheless, kinemaster have really been an amazing application thus far in 2022. I'm not going to stop using kinemaster because of some features that are not available on other applications, that's other editing applications, and of course I'm going to keep using it, except all those other ones start drawing all those features on kinemaster into their platform. Then I may consider switching completely. But aside that, kinemaster is an awesome mobile video, the best mobile video editing app I'm going to recommend, and it is going to be my favorite app of the year. kinemaster is available on App Store. It's also available on Google Play Store. It's not yet available on PC, except if you use BlueStack, right, to run an Android application on your PC. And also, how do you use kinemaster? I've done plenty videos on editing with kinemaster. I'm going to link all of them on the description down below, and I even have a course that you can also get on how to edit professionally with kinemaster. To all the creators that joined me on this video, I say a big thank you, and of course I'm going to have these guys again on my channel next year, hopefully. And aside that, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Was that video helpful? You might want to watch more tutorial videos on my channel, like the one I released recently, and then hit the subscribe button up here and ring the bell so you always be the first to know when I release a fresh video. That is if you want to keep watching videos from me, and of course you want to. My name is Frederick. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.